Meow. So I've sped things up here just to begin with, just to map out the structure of this cat before I start focusing in on the scared face. So we have a Facebook group. It's called Cat Drawing and Watercolor Art Workshop, and you will find the link to that in the video description below. And I do hope you join if you really want to learn how to draw cats. We'd be delighted to have you. So now I'm slowing it down and I'm going to focus on the face. The scared face. Just getting the eye lines in here. I'm going to make some little eye pockets where the eyes are going to go, and I'm going around the contour of the face, and that really goes a long way toward making it look convincingly like a cat. See, I'm forming the little eye sockets, eye pockets or sockets, or and the scared cat look is a lot more than just the eyes and a lot more than just the face. Of course, we've got that hunched down look. Kitty's trying to make itself look smaller. And this kitty's in a cage by the looks of it, and I'm guessing it's probably a community cat that was rescued and has no idea what's going on. So I step back and kind of just observe momentarily a lot, because I want to make sure I'm going in the right direction. I'm just getting to the feel for whether things feel like they're in the right spot. I trust my intuition a lot. I just get the feel. You know, if it doesn't look right, I just ask myself what's wrong here. Going to be getting into this with ink pretty quick, but I'm liking how it looks so far. I like this gesture. The inner lines, the lines for the inner corners of the eyes are crucial in forming the bone structure of the nose, the bridge of the nose, and just the general structure of the cat's face. Lining that up so the eyes look like they're on the same plane. I'm liking the looks of those eyes now, so far. So here I'm doing a lot of little things, but those little things add up to something big. I want those eyes to convincingly look like they fit into the sockets without adding too much detail. And I'm drawing that iris. It keeps going up around here and then back down where we can see it. So I just find that really helpful in making it look convincingly round. Just making sure this looks right. hoping the eyes really stand out, those dark eyeliner lines. Okay, we're going up and around, and then we're going to continue in the air up here to keep that round shape, and then connect right back there. Worked out perfect. Now, same with the pupil. We know it continues up above where we can see, so I just kind of draw in the air to get it, make sure I'm making it look convincing. You know, and you'll see me slow down to do that in this other eye too. So up, I'm shaping it out first before I draw. So up, and I keep going in the air and then down and connect. Yeah, there you go. And scared cat eyes are usually pretty dilated pupils. Just darkening up this area really helps those eyes pop. But I do feel like I put too much dark in the inner corner of that eye. But hey, every drawing is learning. My best work is always my next work. But celebrate everyone. Celebrate every single one anyways. None of them will be perfect. It just doesn't work that way. There's no such thing as perfection in the arts as far as I'm concerned. I think it's more than as far as I'm concerned too. I sure like that eye, despite the fact that there was something about it I wasn't real crazy about, but I do really like it. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. And there's different ways to do the highlights on eyes. Sometimes I just let them kind of happen. I just scribble in the darkness, and I just, allow the highlight to happen where it does, and then I close in around it. But do what works for you. And I also use the tabby stripes a lot for structure, paying attention to the fact that they are going around the structure of the eye's face, and that's the cat's brow up there. So we want to pay attention to that shape when we're drawing them. And I just love the tabby stripes beside the eyes. I think it makes them look like they're wearing glasses, and I like to play that up. It's just really fun. Just find your own style. It's there within you. You don't need to find it. Just think about your personality. Your art should reflect your personality. It shouldn't be about making it perfect. It should be about making it you. Now I've sped things up again because we kind of got done the real focus on the face. So now I'm just going to finish up this little sketch. And you can follow along. And this is just a preliminary sketch. These kind of sketches are really fun. Gestural sketch. I might use it for the basis of a more finished piece of art. But if anything, I've used it because of the learning that I got, and it adds to the delightful journey that my sketchbook shows. So if you really want to learn to draw cats, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. There's lots more videos coming, and please let me know in the comments what kind of things you want to learn about cat drawing. And I love to hear about your cats. and I love to hear about where you're from in the world. So please feel free to make a comment. And put some whiskers in. Easy does it on the whiskers. It's easy to weigh down the face with too much in the way of whiskers, especially in a simple drawing like this. Just kind of strengthening up the lines that I feel are important in this little sketch. And I do hope this kitty found a loving home. So thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.